Welcome back, everybody. It is no secret. Everybody knows that stir fry is one of my favorite things to make. It's also no secret that Mr. Yoshida's is my #1 favorite stir fry sauce, #1 favorite teriyaki style sauce. I've been talking about it forever. I've been using it for about 20 years. So stay tuned. We're gonna make a delicious steak stir fry, and we have a huge giveaway with my friends at Mr. Yoshida's. Stick around till the end for the giveaway. So a big shout out to my friends at Mr. Yoshida's. They sent me this killer box with a little card. They sent me Mr. Yoshida's shirts. They hooked me up with the big chef-size sauces. These are the ones that got me hooked on Mr. Yoshida's years ago. Small bottles, medium-sized bottles, and even the Mr. Yoshida's spicy wing and rib sauce. First things first, steak. I have sirloin steak that I picked up at the grocery store. And check this out. This is vintage. We're going back 5 or 6 years. One of the deadliest devices Blackstone ever made. It's a meat tenderizer. Sirloin steaks, tenderize them any way that you want to. You can use a mallet if you want. The key is we want to flatten these out. We want to get more real estate. Think about when you go to a Chinese takeout place, Chinese restaurant, PF Chang's, whatever, and you get Mongolian steak. Think about how flat that steak is. Now I'm just going to cut these into strips. We'll cut them to size. Maybe cut those into, let's cut those into 3 pieces. Any kind of steak will work. These are sirloin. I've done these with New York strips before. We're still rocking that brand new Blackstone 28-inch griddle smoker combo. We are on high heat. I'm using avocado oil more often than not these days. Otherwise, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Be careful when you're using your bare hands like I am. It's a hot griddle top. You could use protective gloves or tongs if you want to. Always high heat for stir fry. The hotter, the better. Think about it when you go to a Chinese takeout place. When you order from a Chinese takeout place, those woks are blazing 600, 700 degrees or hotter. The hotter, the better. You cannot get too hot when you're making stir fry. Steak down into the oil. Gonna hit that up with Blackstone's pineapple sriracha. It works really well for stir fry. Fresh garlic and steak. You can see the steak. Cook it real quick. Down with my veggies. Red bell pepper, radish, red cabbage, carrots, and red onion. Stir fry, I like it to look good as well as taste good. So the more colors you can get in there, the more contrast you need to go for it. You can see that steak is looking gorgeous already. We're gonna mix it with my veggies because we wanna use the grease from the steak to help cook the vegetables. Udon noodles, one of my favorite stir fry noodles. Been using these for years. You know I like the Hokkien noodles and the soba noodles. This is how they look straight out of the package. They clump together and you break them apart. Down with my noodles. I have a couple packs today. And mix the veggies and the steak with the noodles. Again, taking advantage of the oil, taking advantage of the grease. Those noodles work as little flavor transport vessels, and they are packed with flavor. I've said it before, nothing against rice, I like rice, but there's just way more real estate in a noodle. It packs more flavorful punch. I mentioned color. This is about the time that I like to add a little bit of spinach, something green, could be kale. But you want to keep it looking beautiful, and spinach is the easiest way to add more nutrients and more color. Love making stir fry. So pumped up that Mr. Yoshida's teamed up with me, so stay tuned here in a few minutes. Gonna tell you how you can win that super package from my friends at Mr. Yoshida's. What I like most about stir fry is you can take it in so many different directions. You know, we mentioned different noodles, we mentioned rice. This is steak, but it could be shrimp, it could be scallops, it could be chicken, it could be pork. Radishes are in there, but maybe you don't want radish, it could be broccoli. Maybe you don't want broccoli, it could be cauliflower. Maybe you don't want cauliflower, it could be Brussels sprouts. So many variables. A little more of the pineapple sriracha, could be salt and pepper. chop up a little bit of green onion to put on toward the end. Go in for the original gourmet here on my YouTube channel. You can go back on my Let's Give It a Try show, and you can see me using Mr. Yoshida's like crazy over the last 10, 15 years. You can see it's got a little bit of sugar in there. It definitely caramelizes. Like to add it towards the end. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. That's the Mr. Yoshida's difference. Grab my green onion. We'll put a little bit on there and mix it up, and we'll save a little bit as a garnish. Mix that up. I'll mix a little bit of sesame seed up with the recipe, and we'll garnish with sesame seed as well. Now it's time to pull the stir fry. Stir fry is definitely a term that implies action. It's motion. You're continually moving those spatulas around. Killer meal that your family and friends are gonna love. I mentioned it earlier, definitely the type of cooking that we do most when we have family and friends over. You can just see the glisten on the noodles and the steak, and that's from the Mr. Yoshida's. Green onion on top and the sesame seed as well. And take a look at that. It looks so delicious. A weaker man would go for a smaller bite. Give it a try. Absolutely delicious. I have my Mr. Yoshida's giveaway sheet right here, so here it is. One lucky winner is gonna win 3 bottles of the spicy wing and rib sauce. 46-ounce bottle, it's huge. 3 of these. Plus, you're gonna win 2 bottles of the original gourmet, the 48-ounce bottle right here. 2 of these. And you're also gonna win 1 of these big, huge, chef's size 86-ounce original gourmet sauce. This is what got me hooked on Mr. Yoshida's from day one at Sam's Club, probably close to 20 years ago. But there's more. You're gonna win a Mr. Yoshida's t-shirt, so maybe you'll win one like this. Maybe it'll be one like this. A Mr. Yoshida's tote bag, 2 Mr. Yoshida's pins, even a custom set, are you ready for this? Of Mr. Yoshida's chopsticks. Everything you need to make killer stir fry, killer food like you see me making all the time. Leave a comment down below, like the video, and make sure you're subscribed. Let me know why you want to win. Obviously, make me laugh, make me cry, keep it clean, keep it family friendly, but let me know what you would do with this mega package of Mr. Yoshida's goods. I mean, you're gonna be set up for the rest of the summer. The Mr. Yoshida's giveaway, it's been a long time coming. I can't wait to try the wing and rib sauce because I haven't even used it yet. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching. If I met you on the Griddle More tour this year, hello to you. New subscribers, thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the stir fry with a little help from my friends at Mr. Yoshida's.